आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू माय ऑल व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों को जहाँ भी रखे अपनी अमान में रखे, अपनी सलामती में रखे और इस दुनिया में अपने सिवा किसी का मोहताज ना करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। ये क्लास 7 की इंग्लिश है और आज जो हम इसका टॉपिक करेंगे दैट इज़ यूनिट नंबर 3 एंड द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ एन इनविटेशन। सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स टू नो: bankrupt, caramel, commencement, condemn, cardial, Dartmouth, diplomatically driven, donut, drug-ready, galore, grave, mince pie, morning, pound cake, proverbial, soul-manly, trying, tuck off, and wistfully. These all are the meanings of these words. So today we are going to do the whole exercise of this chapter. First we will do the question answers. I am showing you the pages that if anyone do not have the book, so you can easily read from here, and if anyone from you want the briefing of this chapter, so you can tell me in the comment section. I will make another video for you. So this is a chapter, I think it has 1 2 3 4 to 5 pages, and it has a comprehension where we have to answer the following question, that is on page number 35. So number 1, comprehension is answer the following question. You can take the questions from the book. Sorry for the disturbance for the parrots. Anyways, these are the questions. You can note down the questions from here. I also note down the questions, but some are incomplete, so you can note down from the books. So number 1 question is, in what respects were the two girls different from each other? Answer is, Betha was bright, pretty and popular, Grace and quiet girl, dressed in the morning. B is, how did Betha celebrate the good news she had received? Answer is, Betha celebrated the good news she had received by some sweets. C is, what do we learn about the aunt from what Betha said about her? Answer is, from what Betha says about he was learned that the aunt is dear, sweet, jolly person. She is also kind, generous and understanding. D is, what do you think is meant by the statements Mary and Louis and that are girls after your own heart? Answer is the statement Mary and Lou and Lil are the girls after your own heart means that the girls have similar temperament and interests. E is, what made Grace wistful? Grace was made wistful by the fact that Betha has her aunt who loved her and planned for her. Grace has no family to do his for her. F is, did Betha think that this is a good idea for Grace? Work at Clarkman's all summer? Answer is no. Betha did not think it was a good idea for Grace to work at the Clarkman's all summer. She thought Grace needed rest. G is, from what Grace and aunt. The question is, from what the Grace and Aunt Meg says in the letter. What clues are there to indicate that Grace really was having a good time staying with Aunt Meg? Answer is, the clues in their letters that indicate that Grace had a good time at Aunt Meg's are: Grace says, I have a lovely time, and she exclaims, oh, in her letter in expressions of joy. Aunt Meg writes that she always wanted a daughter and that she intends to about Grace. She described as the sweetest girl in the world. Says that Grace has grown plump and rosy, which suggests that Grace has made a good time. Now come to another line. There is written that these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. So each question is, when did Betha decide that it would be a good idea to send Grace to her aunt's in her place? How and why did she come to the decision? Answer is yes, Betha's sacrifice did not have much impact on her, but it permanently changed the line of Aunt Meg and Grace for the better. Okay, so another question is that answer the following with reference to context. A is I shall have to manage this affair very carefully. Who says what was the affair and what did the speaker plan to do in order? All these questions are written in the notebook. So question number 1 is who says these words and to whom? Betha says this word to herself. B is what was the affair that have to managed carefully? Answer is trying to arrange for Grace to go Aunt Meg's in Betha's place without making Grace feel uncomfortable. C is what did the speaker plan in order to manage this affair carefully? Answer is Betha planned to tell Grace that she could not go due to circumstances, but she would not reveal that the circumstances were Grace, not Betha. B is come to the next page, that is page number 36. B is you are not strong and you need a good rest. Who says why did and what had this person? Actually I do not want to waste the time of the kids, so that is why I prefer कि क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आप लोग बुक से नोट डाउन कर लिया करें एंड आंसर विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू. B is now who says these words to whom? Betha to Grace. What had this person been planning to do during holidays? Answer is she had a brave man. She has no family. She had been working hard at school all term. Now C is don't think me ungrateful. Who says why might? Number 1 is Betha is a letter to Aunt Meg. Why might the speaker to ungrateful? Because she is turning down the invitation. Exercise B is words and sentences. Make sentences of these words. First word is mourning. He was mourning on his father's death. B is fittingly, the engine was fixed fittingly in the car. After your own heart, my brother is after my own heart. Fourth is wistfully, Ima could not perform will in paper, so she wistfully gave it back to invigilator. Darted, suddenly the horses darted from the track and started running to water woods. Last one is solemnly. Farhan was sitting solemnly because he had lost his bag. So आज की वीडियो को यहीं पे एंड करेंगे. होपफुली आज की वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित रही होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक कर दीजिएगा और अगर चैनल पर नहीं हुए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसकी कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.